Brooklyn, what's wrong? Hi, Lisa. I really wanted to read this book over here. Ooh! Is that an Elephant and Piggy book? Yeah, it's called There is a Bird on Your Head. Nicole was reading it before, and when she finished, I asked her if I could read it, and she said yes. But I don't know if I'll be able to even pick it up because I'm so small. Well, don't worry. I can read it to you if you want. Really? Sure. I love reading books to my siblings. I already read one to Summer. Great. Okay, so let's read this book. There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. Oh, there's the bird. And there it is. Piggy! Is there something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are 2 birds on your head. What are 2 birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they're lovebirds? They are making a nest. 2 birds are making a nest on my head. Why would 2 birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? One, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else! Why don't you ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Ooh, look at all these nests. The mama and papa bird are feeding the baby birds some worms. Now in these Elephant and Piggy books, the pigeon tries to hide somewhere. Let's see if we can find him. Oh, there he is. He's eating a hot dog. Silly pigeon. Thank you so much for reading it to me. No problem. Bye, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. This was the second video that I made of me reading a book. If it weren't for Lisa, I wouldn't be able to read that book at all because I'm too small. I'm glad that you liked the book, Summer. I mean, no, not Summer. You're Brooklyn. I guess it's because you read a book to Summer last time. Yeah. So did you like the book, Brooklyn? I did. I loved it. Great. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Hopefully, there will be no birds on your head, or any nests, or eggs, or pigeons. Bye.